Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well today. In this video we are going to learn about web requests and fundamental of connections. In this video we are not going to code in Flutter and we are going to understand the fundamental of web request, API and the rest. API communication nowadays is the most common feature in our application and it is one of the key features which we have to learn. Web requests, which is a kind of request, as we said, it sends and receives data between the client and server. You can also send a data to server or get a data from a server. There are 4 types of requests enrolled. These are most common requests. There are more than 4, but these are most popular and most used nowadays in the REST API, which you encounter day by day with your daily basis. The first one is about the GET request. The GET request is a kind of request which you could get a data from a server side. For example, when you type something in the URL of the Chrome or any browser and hit enter, you send a request to a web server, please give me about something that I have typed here, and then it sends a post request, and something which is gets back from a server to your laptop is the response of that get which you have sent. So we have response and also a request here. A request could perform in get, post, put, and delete format. As a get name suggests, it is for getting a value from a server to your laptop. For example, getting a list of products, it is a GET request. But, for example, you have a login form and you want to send your username and your password to the backend side. So how you could perform? You could perform it by sending a post request to side your server. So if post is sending and get is about getting, what about put and what about delete? Put is most likely from the post, but it is used for updating value. Post is used for sending a direct value to a server, but put used for only update. For example, you update a profile, you use put. For example, you update a username, you use put. But in cases your backend developer could use post instead of put for any kind of update or creating in your backend server, and this is depend upon your developer. And the last one is delete request. The delete request which we sent is a request similar to the post but used for deleting, as its name suggests. For example, you press a delete button on your phone on some data, so you want to delete it, then you send a delete request to your server to say please delete this thing for me. In this area, the response which given back from your server side, let me go for this, the response which you get here, as for example as indicated here, it could be in any kind of forms, there are very popular forms called JSON. One is kind XML file, XML format. Nowadays, the most commonly used and very used nowadays in server requests is JSON, and XML is kind of deprecated and it's not very used in server side, and that's because of complexity and the clarity of data. Okay, now we have understood about the response and requests. So let's see a JSON format. This is a JSON format. I have come to the JSON placeholder.typecode.com in the posts. I have sent a GET request to the database and it returns me a list of data. We use JSON to showing a complex data structure and better clarity on data and accessibility. My friends, I hope you have enjoyed and understood well. This was our first video of sending requests to the server side, and that was just an fundamental explanation of web requests. I hope I have added something to your life, and if you enjoy my videos, please consider like and subscribe and helping me and getting me motivated for the next videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.